Welcome to Malware 101, where we cover the fundamentals of malicious software. Today, we'll examine the three main categories of malware: viruses, worms, and Trojans. Malware is simply malicious software created by hackers to harm computer systems. We'll be looking at how the three main types of malware, virus, worm, and Trojan, are spread. First, the virus, also called the human-powered parasite. A virus requires a host file and human action to run. It remains dormant until you click on it. A good analogy for a virus is a doorknob with cold germs. Just as the germs wait for you to touch the doorknob, a virus waits for your click to activate and spread. Next is the worm, the self-replicating traveler. A worm runs by itself, exploiting network blind spots and spreading at massive speeds without human intervention. Think of a worm as an airborne pathogen. You breathe it in without touching anything. Worms can infect thousands of computers in a matter of hours. Finally, we have the Trojan, or the deceptive gift. A Trojan disguises itself and builds a secret backdoor. Unlike viruses and worms, a Trojan does not copy itself. A Trojan acts like a delivery person. You invite it inside by running the program, and then it unlocks the door for other malicious activities. Here is a comparison of the threat behaviors. Note whether each type requires a host, is self-replicating, and its primary weapon for infection. All malware carries a payload, which defines the damage. Payloads include spyware for stealing passwords, adware for flooding your screen with ads, and ransomware for locking your files. Software updates, or security patches, are your primary defense. These updates fix bugs in the code and close the network holes that worms exploit. Digital hygiene is achieved through safe behavior and system maintenance. Avoid bad links to stop Trojans and viruses, and apply patches to block worms. Consider this critical thinking task. If you find an unlabeled USB drive and plug it into your laptop to find the owner, which malware did you invite inside and why? Join us for the next video, where we will analyze the most feared payload today, ransomware. Maintain your digital hygiene to stay safe.